you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you want some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Here we go again with another recipe that you have requested. How to make crab fried rice in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Let's get started. Let's get over this ingredient. Fast, easy, and simple recipe. Anybody can make this one. The first thing you're going to need is some crab meat. Make sure your crab meat nice and clean. You're going to need some rice, mixed vegetables, garlic and ginger. I'm going to be using my Ralph Lauren seafood seasoning, teaspoon of sugar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. To that, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs, scallion, bell peppers. So I have yellow, green, all the color them. You name it, I'll be trying this. So, because I want it to be colorful and flavorful as well. And you're going to need some onions, alright? Of course, you know I'm going to put my vinegar. Let's get started. Now, to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is add some cooking oil to that. And some butter. Then I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic. And work that in until my butter melt nice. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add my crab meat. Mix that in. We're going to go ahead and pull that to the side and add our eggs right there in the corner. After that nicely fried up, you combine both together. You want that to have flavor, so you're going to add your seafood seasoning to that, and I'm using the Keith Lauren seafood seasoning, sugar, and my mixed vegetables. Then I'm going to add my vegetables, some vinegar, and toss that around. Now, I didn't add any salt to this because salt is already in my rice. But if you want to go ahead and add some salt, feel free to do so. Now I'm going to add my rice, soy sauce, oyster sauce. And there you have it. Crab fried rice in my Jamaican kitchen. Thumbs up, like and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy! I don't want to waste what's I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.